Hey, welcome back to FooDooloo. Today, we've got a crucial skill on the menu, sharpening knives. A sharp knife is a chef's best friend, so let's dive into our 5-step guide on how to sharpen a kitchen knife like a pro. Step 1. Gather your tools. In the first step, gather your tools, the focus is on assembling the necessary equipment for knife sharpening. This includes options such as a whetstone, a honing rod, or a knife sharpening system. By presenting these options, the guide accommodates various preferences and levels of expertise among users. The emphasis is on selecting the appropriate tool for the task at hand, setting the stage for a successful sharpening process. Step 2. Assess the blade. In the second step, assess the blade, the focus is on examining the condition of the knife before proceeding with sharpening. Users are encouraged to visually inspect their knife for signs of dullness, nicks, or imperfections. This assessment is crucial as it informs the appropriate sharpening approach to be taken. By understanding the blade's condition upfront, users can tailor their sharpening technique to address specific issues, ensuring optimal results and prolonging the knife's lifespan. Step 3. Preparing the whetstone. In the third step, preparing the whetstone, the focus is on getting the whetstone ready for sharpening. Users are advised to soak the whetstone in water for 10 to 15 minutes before use. This step is crucial as it helps prevent friction between the blade and the stone, ensuring a smoother sharpening process. By adequately preparing the whetstone, users can optimize their sharpening experience and achieve better results when sharpening their knives. Step 4. Sharpening technique. In the fourth step, sharpening technique, the focus is on the actual sharpening process. Users are instructed to hold the knife at a 20-degree angle and employ controlled strokes along the whetstone. The sharpening motion should begin from the base of the blade and progress towards the tip. This technique ensures consistent sharpening across the entire length of the blade. Users are encouraged to repeat the process on both sides of the blade until the desired level of sharpness is achieved. By following these instructions, users can effectively sharpen their knives like a professional, enhancing their kitchen tool's performance. Step 5. Honing and testing. To finish off, let's hone the blade with a honing rod. This helps align the edge and keeps it razor sharp. Finally, give it a test. If your knife effortlessly glides through a tomato or paper, you've nailed it. There you have it, FooDooloo fam, 5 steps to sharpening a kitchen knife. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try this out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy cooking!